What's up, crew? Welcome to Stockholm. Today I may have overpromised and underdelivered on a thing with my crew who's coming up behind me here. I reserved an electric boat yesterday. On the flight over here last night, I realized that I think I reserved the boat in Malmo, which is about 6 hours away from here. I don't even know if this place exists, but we're gonna walk up here and find out. But there's a very good chance this is gonna turn into a complete disaster. I don't see this place anywhere. And we're past where it was supposed to be on the map. I don't think this is gonna happen. Dang it. Let me go ask this bartender up here. Hey, have you heard of GoBoats?
GoBoats?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
No? Is it right in this water area? It is. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. One guy in there said it was down this way, but I didn't see anything down there that looked like GoBoat. Have you heard of GoBoats? Do you know where it is? So she said it's probably over there by the Sea Safari. I think we should just go get on one of those public tour boats. I accidentally made a reservation for 4 p.m. today in Malmo, but we're in Stockholm. Is there a GoBoat in Stockholm or no? There's not. Can I cancel the reservation and get my money back? If you could ask it, I mean, that'd be really great. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
There's a hop on, hop off.
Yeah, should we just do that?
Yeah.
All right, let's go find that. So we're gonna do a canal tour.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Enjoy.
So we ran across, what's your company called? Solar Boats?
It's called Solar Boats.
Solar Boats. And we're trying to see if we can cancel.
Welcome very
They let
much.
you cancel it? Awesome. All right, you guys, let's go. Yeah, this is great. Thank you very much.
I appreciate some review.
Absolutely. Yeah, you bet. Okay, so if you're ever in Stockholm, Solar Boats is the way to go. We're gonna go find some Swedish meatballs. I'll see you on the next vlog. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys soon.